What if I told you that your mind holds the key to healing your body? That within you lies a power so profound it can reverse illness, relieve pain, and restore vitality without any medicine? Sounds unbelievable? Well, science and real-life stories prove otherwise. Welcome to Chapter 6 of The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, where we unlock the secrets of mental healing. Get ready to discover how your thoughts can shape your health and how you can harness this incredible force starting today. The mind-body connection, the healing power within you. For centuries, people have believed that the mind and body are separate. But today, science confirms what ancient wisdom has always known. Your mind directly affects your health. Dr. Joseph Murphy explains that your subconscious mind can influence every cell in your body. It can accelerate healing, boost immunity, and even reverse diseases when properly programmed. Let's take an example. Imagine two patients diagnosed with the same illness. One believes he will recover, trusts the treatment, and visualizes himself getting better. The other, however, doubts the treatment, focuses on the pain, and constantly fears the worst. Who do you think has a better chance of healing? Science says, the first one. Why? Because belief is powerful medicine. Murphy describes numerous cases where individuals healed themselves through the power of their minds. From tumors shrinking to chronic pain vanishing, mental healing is real. But how does it work? And more importantly, how can you use it in your life? Techniques for mental healing. To harness the power of your subconscious mind for healing, Dr. Murphy shares proven techniques that have transformed lives. Let's explore them one by one. 1. The visualization method. See yourself healed. Visualization is a technique used by elite athletes, business moguls, and even cancer survivors. Here's how it works. Close your eyes. Imagine yourself in perfect health, full of energy, strength, and vitality. Picture every cell in your body regenerating and healing. Feel the joy of being completely well. The key? Feel it as if it's already true. Your subconscious mind responds to images and emotions, not logic. The more real you make it, the more effective it becomes. 2. The affirmation method. Reprogram your mind for healing. Your subconscious absorbs whatever you repeatedly tell it. If you constantly say, "I feel sick" or "I'm weak," your body obeys. But what if you said, "I am healthy and strong. My body is healing every day"? Try this. Every morning and night, repeat a powerful healing affirmation like, "Every cell in my body is vibrant and healthy." Say it out loud and believe it. Feel gratitude as if the healing has already happened. The subconscious doesn't know the difference between real and imagined. It simply acts on what you impress upon it. 3. The gratitude technique. Thank your body in advance. Gratitude is one of the most powerful frequencies you can emit. Dr. Murphy suggests thanking your body for healing even before you see results. This tricks your subconscious into believing that healing has already occurred, speeding up the process. Every night say, "I am grateful for my perfect health." Feel the emotions of already being healed. Let go of doubt and trust the process. Thousands have experienced miraculous recoveries using this simple shift in mindset. Let's talk about two real cases. The man who healed his skin disease. A businessman suffering from a severe skin condition used visualization daily. Instead of focusing on his illness, he imagined smooth, healthy skin. Within weeks, his doctors were baffled. His skin had completely healed. The woman who overcame chronic pain. After years of suffering from arthritis, a woman applied the affirmation method daily. "My joints are flexible and pain-free." In just a few months, she regained full mobility, without any medication. These stories aren't just coincidences. They prove that your thoughts shape your reality. You now hold the blueprint to healing your body through your subconscious mind. The power is already within you, waiting to be unleashed. Will you continue letting fear and doubt control your health, or will you take charge and reprogram your mind for healing? Try these techniques for just a few weeks and watch what happens. Believe in the process, trust your mind, and embrace the healing power within you. Join us tomorrow for Chapter 7, where we dive even deeper into mastering your subconscious mind. If you found this valuable, like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs it. See you in the next episode.